The primary motor cortex that controls left upper limb movements is our C4 point. This point may be useful in patients with Parkinson's disease, neuropathic pain, complex regional pain syndrome, or in stroke rehabilitation. First of all, make the circumferential measurement in sagittal plane from mesian, the point between the node and the forehead, and inion, the most prominent tubule on the back of the skull. In our case, this distance equals 32 centimeters. Mark CZ point that lies right at the middle of this line or at 16 centimeters from inion or mesian. Then, measure circumferential distance in coronal plane from the left to the right periauricular points through CZ point. In our case, this distance equals 34 centimeters. C4 point lies 20% right from the CZ point along this line, or in our case, this distance will be 6.8 centimeters.